How to find Trendyol promo codes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find the promo codes for Trendyol. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. If you guys didn't know, Trendyol is an e-commerce platform where you can find different kinds of wares and attires for men and women. And if you want to have promo codes for this website, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up a new tab right here and then simply search for Trendyol promo code and hit enter. And once you've done that, you'll find different options right here. So you'll see the latest promo codes from these websites. So as you can see, you can get up to 90% off. For that, what you're going to have to do is, as you can see, it has 95 uses today. It was last used 4 hours ago. And what you can do is just copy these promo codes, and once you copy them, you can directly go ahead and use them when you check out of your product. So you can browse through different websites, and you'll see here is a 90% off promo code. So it was last reported working 4 hours ago. What you need to do is you need to be updated when they drop new promo codes. So it was working 5 hours ago, so the latest was 4 hours ago. But if you are up to date, then you should be able to get these kind of promo codes. So click on the copy code and try to use it, and if it works, then you can just click on yes, and other people will also be able to use it. And while you check out, you just paste the promo code right there to get certain discounts. And that's how you get the free promo codes for Trendyol. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.